NOKIA 7370 upper block disassembly and assembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You'll need the following tools: the SRT6, metal tweezers, a Torx Plus driver size 6, and a torque driver with a Torx Plus size 6 bit. Protect the window with a plastic film. Ensure that no battery is inserted. Swivel the phone to the position shown. Carefully release all plastic clips. Protect the inner side of the window with a plastic film. Carefully open the coax cable connector. Release the 4 clips shown and lift off the UI shield assembly. Carefully open the board-to-board connector and remove the LCD PWB assembly. Release the 4 metal clips shown. Do not bend them more than necessary. Protect the LCD display with a plastic film. Unscrew and remove the 2 screws in the order shown and discard them. Always use new screws when reassembling. Remove the screwing plate. Remove the B cover after feeding the coax cable connector through it. The disassembly of the upper block is now complete. Assembly. Feed the coax cable connector through the B cover and lay it in its slot. Check the correct position of the screwing plate. Hold the coax cable down with your finger and tighten the first screw slightly. Always use new screws. Set the torque driver to the correct torque. Tighten the screws to the correct torque in the order shown. Place the LCD in the UI shield and secure it with the 4 metal snaps. Now put on the LCD PWB assembly and close the board-to-board connector. Check the correct position of the board-to-board connector before continuing. Close the clips in the order shown. And close the coax cable connector. Remove the plastic film. Replace the A cover assembly beginning from the top. Fix all clips and check the window for cleanliness.